I go to put it in, 1 and 2, go to start it, you know, nothing would happen. No click or anything. Solve the issue. I got a guy, I'm like, yo, explain the issue to him. He said, yeah, the transmitter on the key is out of sync with the EWS. Basically just the security system for the Beamer. I mean, if you have something similar to this issue, you're probably gonna have to get a new key. Don't go to do a dealership. See if there's somebody that can do it for you. All they need is an AK90, it's called. Takes the transmitter from here, they put it into a little device, and then, you know, pairs it up to the key and the car, EWS and all that. So if you have something like that, probably gonna have to get a new key. But this is how it is now. You'll love to hear it. You'll love to hear it. Yeah, let me know if you guys got any questions.